Removing the system board. Remove the node from the chassis. Remove the top cover. Remove the following components: drive cage assembly, flash power module, air baffle, OCP module, front OCP cage, firmware and ROT security module, processor and heatsink, memory module, M.2 drive, micro SD card, internal adapter bracket, GPU air duct, fan cage, PCIe riser assembly, power bus bar, side bracket. Refer to the following videos for the procedures. Disconnect all the cables from the system board. Disengage the clips of the cable ducts from the node. Lift the cable ducts out of the node. Remove the system board screws from the front of the node. Remove all the screws from the system board. Carefully lift the rear side of the system board and then raise the system board at an angle to disengage it. Gently slide the system board toward the rear of the node and then carefully lift it out of the node.